bought a trailer. We had a storm last night. There's a bunch of water. This is such a temporary thing. I'm gonna start cutting up this brush so we can get this prepped so the trailer can move before I continue doing any more renovation. I have to use all my strength to try to chop these little trees down. Are we starting to see the vision? It'll get tucked right in that spot, a little bit hanging out here, and then have that beautiful view. All right, for the things I can't cut down with my hands, we're gonna use a chainsaw. I'm exhausted after that. But glad it's done with. All right, it's the next day. Fortunately right now, there's a bunch of water in the corner of the trailer. We had a storm last night, so I can't tell exactly where the water came in, but I literally just walked in the door. So I'm gonna scope around, try to figure out if I can find where the leak is so this doesn't happen again. I'm not shocked that there's a problem because there was a leak on that wall and I fixed it, I thought. It doesn't look like it came through there. Otherwise the paint would be, I think, a little bit different. All right, it's been like 20 seconds since I said I'm gonna look for the leak, but I don't need to look. It's pretty obvious. Right here on the door, they put carpet to line the bottom, but the door doesn't even reach all the way. So since it was super windy, the rain was literally just getting pushed in. So that means good news personally, because I was scared it was coming through the roof or the walls. So this is the best news scenario personally. I'm gonna clean up this water now, and then I'm gonna go and pick up all the trees that I cut down yesterday for the clearing where we're gonna put the trailer. Then I gotta go to work, sadly. Can't always work on this trailer. Also, I never plan on actually getting this floor that wet and dumping a bunch of water on it. I did a pretty good job sealing because this water is pretty high actually. Kind of proud of what I did. It has rained a lot since I got the trailer, but this is how much it stormed last night. All right, now we're back to the mess I created yesterday. I also need to quickly chainsaw a couple more things just so I make sure everything fits. Last section, and then I'm done. It's another day, and we're just sitting at the clearing that I made yesterday. So it's nice to try and visualize what this might become, like what this area could look like in just a week with a little bit more work. I feel like it's all coming together a lot faster than I thought, so it's pretty cool. This wasn't in the original plan, but we're borrowing our neighbor's skid loader, and we're going to level the area I cleared the last 2 days, and then we're moving the trailer here. So it's gonna be in the spot that it's gonna sit in for hopefully a while, but I'm excited to see what this space is gonna look like in just a few hours. All right, we got it all leveled, and now my dad's bringing the trailer over right now. It's another new day, and I woke up really early today, and I'm gonna finish painting this trailer. So we are just one step closer to being done. Alright, I've got everything I need inside of the trailer right now, and I'm just gonna paint until I feel like I can't keep painting anymore. Trailer is starting to look really nice, but before I continue on the inside projects, I need to make sure I get the front area solved. I'm bringing in a lot of dirt into the trailer, so I'm just going to do a temporary fix because I don't want to spend too much money this year on this project. So I'm just going to lay down wood planks on the ground just so I'm not continuously bringing in dirt every time I'm walking through this area. Next year, hopefully I'll do maybe some like patio pavers or something nice. Alright, so I have a bunch of boards like this that I'm just gonna lay down for this year. Okay, this is such a temporary thing. So what I have to do in here now is I'm gonna paint the daybed bench, and then I need to paint the floors. So hopefully I can do both of those before I go to work today, but if not, I'll do it today and tomorrow, and then on Sunday I can start putting things in here. So I need to paint this whole thing. I probably will leave the cabinet for right now, and then I need to paint the floors if I have time, but I only 2.5 hours, so we'll see how fast I can do this. Just finished with the first layer of paint on this. I might just have enough time to do one layer on the floors quick before I go to work. I might be pushing it though. I just want it to be done so I can start designing in here. This is what it looks like after one coat. I am gonna go eat something quick before work, and then maybe I'll have enough time to do one more coat. Alright, it's the same day. I just finished my night shift at work, and I'm gonna do one more layer of paint on the floors because I don't want to wake up tomorrow and have to do that and then also put a finish on the floor. I want to wake up tomorrow, be done with the paint, and then all I have to do is the finish coat. And then I'm done with a lot of the cosmetic things I've been fixing in here. So, right now, yeah, I'm just gonna do one more layer and call it a night since it's already 11 p.m. You can tell it clearly only has one coat of paint on it. It has some crazy patterns going on.
Opal, no, Opal, come.
All right, it's the next morning after I did that really late night last coat of paint. Let's see if I have to do another layer of paint. I probably do. Oh, it's almost there. Looks really nice. All right, what I don't want to do, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna paint that shelf the same color as the bench and the walls, just to complete everything. And then I will do my last layer of paint on the floor. It's been a few days since I finished the floors. I've let the flooring cure for 3 days at least, so I don't mess it up. And yeah, it turned out so beautiful. I'm really happy I picked this color. I'm just gonna get all the outlets back on, and then I'm gonna start bringing in some things into here to start decorating. But I'm really happy that the renovation portion of this is all done with for now. I think it all turned out pretty much exactly how I wanted. So I'm very thankful, very happy that it all went pretty smoothly and pretty cost effective too as well. So that's always a bonus. Thanks for watching this video if you made it this far, and I will see you in a future video hopefully.